And a very good day. My name's Callum from Barclay James, and today we're going to log into our WordPress site, and we're going to show you how to edit and create your pages and add them to menus and so on. Now that we're logged in, remind yourself you can view your site, and you get your site here, but you also get a new menu bar across the top. Let's get straight into the action with new page, which we will call films. And in here we're going to say today we are making some WordPress tutorial films. Let's tell Google that this is potentially quite important by making it italics there. We'll talk about an overview, talk about pages, the editor, maybe widgets, and we will finish with the word enjoy. I'll highlight those and turn them into bullet points. Then I'm going to click the update button after checking which template I want to use. Let's view that page. So I have films. Today we're making some WordPress films. I have my URL which says films, fairly nondescript. We can change that. There's no image here in the middle. We'd call this normally a featured image. So let's click our edit page. First of all, we're going to fix our URL. Click WordPress. It's remembered from previous tutorial films. Okay, so it's saved that for us. Let's go down here to the bottom right where I have set featured image, which shows our media library. I happen to know that I have the perfect sized Nikon image, which I can use as featured image. So it says that's done. I can close that and I can update my page. And let's view that page. Right, so from the top we have correctly entitled URL for the page. We say films. Today we're making some WordPress tutorial films. We're telling Google and other search engines, and the viewer indeed, that that's exactly what we've done. So that's a full and complete page. I'm just going to put the URL in my clipboard for something we're going to do in a minute. Let's say we just wanted to add films to our menu. We can hover over here, go to menus. We can find our most recent, it says film page. We can add it to our menu, and if you just look, when I click add it to menu, it will land here. There it is. And of course we could move it around. I can drag it and say actually I want to go under FAQ, under film photo gallery, but I'll do that. Just hit the save menu. I'll go to viewing my site, please, and under FAQ we have films, and there it is. On the other hand, we might think, we really don't want a menu item for this. We just want it as a little throwaway. So let's go back to our menus. We're going to scroll down until we find films. We're going to remove that menu item, and it's gone. I'm going to view my site. Oops, stay on that page. I've forgotten to hit the save menu button. Cool feature actually. Let's visit our site, and let's say that in websites, oops, that's very cool. Down at the bottom here, let's say down here, we're going to edit the site. Scroll down, and I'm just going to scroll down with this here to the bottom. I'm going to say that you can see our films here. Oops, spelled wrong. And I highlight that word and click the hyperlink button. I can then paste in the WordPress tutorial URL which we had earlier. Add that as a link. You can see how it's changed colour now when I hover over it. Let's update this. View our page. We can scroll down now. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. You can see our films here. So we click that. We end up back up at our URL. So that's two ways you can add a page, either to a menu or as a hyperlink. Once you're finished with your editing, you go to the top right where it says howdy, whoever you are, log out. So we're going to log out, and then you can go back to your site, and here we are back to our site. And I think I removed it from here. So the only thing I need to do actually when you've gone and watching our next film is remove the hyperlink we've just put in. Okay, that's it. My name's Callum. I trust you had a good time. I'll see you next time. From Barclay James. Bye-bye.